Wow, it's brilliant, isn't it?
How big it is. Like, that's a car. To put that into perspective.
That was good recording.
Pig. It's really windy. What's this?
Big plug, overflow feature.
It's cut straight into the rock. What about your selling point?
What's the selling point?
Dustin reckons people should be charged to
They should have abseiling events coming down the damn wall. People would definitely pay money for that.
and run down it.
Yeah, forward.
Makes me sick.
Like heights, I don't know how.
There's a haze over here on this side.
Yeah. Is that strong wind?
Do we think it's wind?
Yeah.
It's bloody windy, isn't it?
I got blown with dust when I was up top of Hoover. See ya.
Jesus! Oh! I'm just trying to grab a thing. It's serrated. Yow! Touch it.
Oh yeah.
Touch it. Go on, get in there.
Oh, I couldn't even get in there before I... It's blowing.